headed in for a scary close. While we made it back to that 9300 mark somehow, on adjustment perhaps the print is going to be sub that level. 93.08 on the Nifty futures, extremely bad breath. SAIL down 13.5%, Bharat Forge down 13.5%, L&T Finance down 13%, Motherson Sumi for a double-digit loss, LIC Housing Finance down double digits. Even within the Nifty, the pain has been quite excruciating. Hindalco, Vedanta, ICICI Bank closes in at 340. It's lost about almost 10.5%. There's been a Tata Steel as well. Metals have really come clobbering back. HDFC has lost about 10%. Bajaj Finance has lost quite a fair bit. Financials like IndusInd, Axis, they've all really come down, falling like 9 pence. Real estate, metals, banks, they've been the hardest hit. CK, do you suspect the texture of the market is going to remain the same tomorrow as well, given the massive fall that one has seen today, or do you think if there is a global recovery, we're in for green again tomorrow?
You see, if there is a global recovery these days, there is a tendency to follow what the US does. The correlation between our markets and theirs have gone up in recent times, that we seem to be tracking it. But I don't see any reason why there should be a global rally, but one never knows. The Fed meet and all is over there, and therefore I'm not aware of any news inputs that could take the global markets up. Leaving that aside, I think the way our markets have behaved and traded today and they are closed, I would believe that the declines seem all set to continue some more. And it's a weak close. Most of the stocks are closing weak. The breadth is very poor. And whatever stray shorts were there in the system, all of them have got closed out because you saw a burst of short covering, which happened in the last about 10 minutes or so. So I do believe that the chances that we will continue lower are considerably greater than for it to go up. Only a very strong global recovery can put a wrench into those set of plans.
All right, summing up then what has been an awfully volatile day of trade. It seems like that exuberance that we witnessed in the markets last week has completely been sold into, and now we've fallen flat on our faces. So wrapping up the Monday's trading session with the bears in a firm grip on the markets. It's 93.05 on the index, with the Sensex having shaved off 2,000 points in a single trading session. The broader markets have not been spared the carnage, and it's down and out for the mid as well as the small cap indices, 4% and 3% respectively. Barring pharma, it's a splash of red across the screens. Take a look at the Nifty Bank Index. That index has shaved off 1,700 points alone in today's trade. You've got metals, auto, the PSU banks, commodities, media, consumption, FMCG, pretty much everything that has been painted with the same stroke of red. On the frontline index as well, it's a meager 3 stocks that stand to gain, otherwise a long list of losers. Hindalco, ICICI Bank, Vedanta, Bajaj Finance. Take a look at Tata Steel, Maruti, as well as Adani Ports, UPL, all big drags in today's trading session. Gonna just run you through then some of the newsmakers. Auto has really bled in today's trading session, and do remember that it's complete stalled engines. You do have most of the companies that are talking about now restarting their operations, but it's been a terrible month, so to speak. You did have the top brass, that is chairman of SBI, Rajneesh Kumar, speaking to ET Now exclusively. He's ruled out fears of a new NPA cycle. He's saying the calibrated lifting of the lockdown, that's the way to go, and that's SBI in focus. Reliance Industries, that stock too, the debt reduction plans with respect to that deal that has taken place. Silver Lake pumping in 5,600 crores. HUL as well feeling the heat. Remember, analysts to slash the estimates as the earnings have failed to impress. There's Tech Mahindra as well that logged in steep losses in their Q4 earnings. So those were some of the newsmakers. Some of the other result reactions. There was SIS, it's been growth. There was a one-off adjustment, and Laurus Labs as well has been another stock in focus. But as we're winding it down in today's trading session,